crazy person. What are you doing? Remy, what are you doing? She's so excited. Say, I love the snow. I love the snow. Ram, come here. Come here. I love the snow. I love the snow. It's freezing out here. Our house is so pretty. So I'm back in from the freezing rain. Sorry, I have not washed my face yet. As you can see, crazy person over here. But anyway, can't do any of the stuff I needed to do on my laptop today because our Wi-Fi is in and out. So I'm gonna go make me some coffee and read more of my book probably. I have a very nosy pup. Remy. Oh, she left. Oh, it's dark. So, update, it's a little while later. We had to go blanket horses. I didn't film any of that. So, that's what we did. And it's cold. And then we just made ice cream out of snow. We have lost power. So I have candles burning. It is 8:30. So, fun stuff. It's been going on and off. It's been going on and off all day, but now it's like off. So that's not fun. So, my room is an absolute mess. I'm not gonna make my bed yet because I'm gonna try to see how long she's playing with my sock. Remy, what are you doing? You're so cute. I'm trying to see how long the electricity's gonna stay on, so I can see what I can get done on my laptop. But I may actually get on my laptop and like write any blog posts that I want to write, so I have my coffee. Not gonna make my bed yet because I'm about to lay back in it. So, can I help you? Oh, what'd you do? Did that scare you? Did that scare you? So, sorry about the background noise. My grandma's watching something on TV. But so I made a list last night of things I need to get done. So I'm just going over that, and then I'm doing one of the tasks. I'm looking at my emails, and then I made a checklist of things on Google Calendar that I need to get done today. So that's what I'm doing. Sorry if the lighting's bad. You probably can't even see me, but it's fine. I'm just trying to make it a productive day while I have internet. It's not very fancy. I just have, this is the main page. Just has my little synopsis of what it is. Let me go back to the top. Okay, and then I have little tabs right here. Facts about me, I haven't done that yet. Faith, I haven't done that yet. And then blog posts. So I just posted a blog right here all about riding horses. So you should go check that out. So we have power now, and I'm about to take a bath while we have hot water. So fun stuff. If you can't afford the medication, about 9:15. I am about to end the vlog here. I'm just gonna read some more of my book, and then look at that shadow of me. That's creepy. That looks like a whole nother person behind me, but it's because I have my, I'm holding the thing to my lamp because I don't think y'all would be able to see me otherwise. Yeah, so ignore the shadow of me in the background. Yeah, I'm just gonna read some of my book, and then I'm going to go to bed after that, so I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Bye! Woke up again to no power. Remy is playing with a chew bone. Did you lose it? It's on the ground, I see it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Now come on. Oh, okay. She decided to leave. Come on. Oh, nope, she's back. So we have no power, no signal, no Wi-Fi, nothing. At least we have sunlight. So, me and Remy are just chilling in my room. What's up? I'm looking like a hot mess. Who's surprised? Yeah. It's 12:15. We do finally have power, but I'm sitting in the dark. Fun stuff. I'm not working again today. Thursday. Roads are too icy, so I can't leave. But I'm about to edit this vlog now that I can. And see what we're working with. It may be a little boring because I haven't really done much because no power. So we'll see how this ends up. But I'm still going to upload it because why not? So since I have power, I'm going to go ahead and try to do my taxes while we have internet. Remy is taking a nap.
You're making a YouTube video?
Yeah, I've been vlogging all day. They don't have power and we have power, so they're here.
Yeah, it's not fair.
Hey, but y'all had power when we didn't, so.
True, but it's still not fair.
I need you to do me a favor.
What?
Will you hand me my computer?
Oh, there it is.
You're, wow, Jackson. Hey guys, it's me, update. Sorry if you hear background noise. My grandma's watching a TV in the living room. Anyway, update for today. It is like 2:30, I think, or 3, something like that. It's Friday. I am just taking some notes on my laptop and watching Vampire Diaries while I do it. I've already seen the show like 3 times, but why not watch it again? So it's a good show that I can put on the background and like listen to while I'm working on homework. So fun stuff. I will update you guys in a little. Still working on notes and watching Vampire Diaries. Fun stuff.
Nice. Do you need help?
No. Maybe. I got it. This thing is cold.
That's satisfying.